In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix upload block error on the OneDrive. In order to do that, you first need to head over to your OneDrive. On your browser, go to Microsoft.com and from there, locate OneDrive and create a free account. So you can proceed to sign up using this button. However, if you already have an account, proceed to click onto the sign in option that will appear into this part. Since I already have an account, let me proceed to actually sign in. Now here are my files. So if you're having problems uploading or if you're actually receiving blocking errors, it resolves this conflict by disabling Office integration. So first, disable the Office integration by going over to the iCloud icon on your taskbar. So on your taskbar on your actual computer, you can find OneDrive and then just right click on it. And once you have right click on it, you can proceed to actually disable the integration. Next thing you can do is you can also sign out and then sign back in order to actually resolve this problem. So you can just click onto this icon and then from in there click onto the sign out option. And once you have successfully signed out, proceed to actually go over and then proceed to go and then switch account and also sign in again back to it. Next thing you can do is you can also clear the Office cache. On the Office Upload Center, you can right-click on the icon of System Tray and go to Settings and delete cached files. Or if you're on your browser, just click onto the three dots, scroll down and click on Settings. And from in there, you can find here this. So what we can do is we can proceed to actually delete our cache by clicking onto the search. And then from in there, proceed to click onto the delete cache files that should appear once you have searched for this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.